Feeling stressed? It's a common experience that many of us go through, especially in today's fast-paced world. You're not alone. Life can be busy and demanding, with countless responsibilities pulling us in different directions. We all feel stressed sometimes. Work deadlines, family obligations, and our never-ending to-do lists can feel overwhelming and unmanageable. Stress makes us feel tense and on edge. It can make us feel tired, anxious, and even affect our sleep and overall health. But there are ways to manage stress effectively. Taking a moment to breathe deeply and mindfully can make a big difference in how we feel. Even 1 minute of focused breathing or meditation can help us feel calmer and more in control of our emotions and thoughts. It's important to take care of our mental well-being. Just like we exercise our bodies to stay fit, we need to exercise our minds to stay mentally healthy. Mindfulness is a great way to do this. By being present in the moment and aware of our thoughts and feelings, we can reduce stress and improve our overall well-being. Taking a break might seem impossible. You might think, I don't have time for this, but even a short pause can help. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Now, focus on your breath. Notice the air going in and out of your body. This is the start of mindfulness. It's about being present in the moment. You can let go of worries and just be. This simple breathing exercise can help you feel calmer in just 1 minute. 1. Breathe in slowly through your nose while counting to 4. Feel the air filling your lungs. 2. Hold your breath gently while counting to 4. 3. Breathe out slowly through your mouth while counting to 4. Imagine the stress leaving your body. 4. Repeat these steps for 1 minute. This exercise is easy to learn. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Try it when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed. Section 4. The power of a calm mind. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility can be challenging, yet it is essential for our well-being. This breathing exercise has many benefits. By taking slow, deep breaths, you can activate your body's relaxation response, which helps to counteract the stress response. It can help you reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, and enhance your overall mental clarity. When you focus on your breath, you bring your attention to the present moment. This practice allows you to feel more relaxed and calm, creating a sense of inner peace. It can also help you to let go of negative thoughts and emotions that may be weighing you down, and even sleep better at night. When you practice mindfulness, you create a space for your mind to rest and rejuvenate, which can lead to more restful and restorative sleep. You train your mind to be present. This means being fully engaged in whatever you are doing at the moment, without being distracted by past regrets or future worries. You learn to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This non-judgmental awareness can help you to understand yourself better and respond to situations more thoughtfully. This can help you manage difficult emotions more effectively. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more skilled you will become at finding moments of calm and clarity. The more natural it will become to find moments of calm throughout your day. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Section 5. Mindfulness, your everyday companion. Mindfulness is a gift you give yourself. It's a practice that allows you to be present in the moment, to truly experience life as it happens. It's a way to find peace and calm in a busy world. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to get lost in the noise and chaos. Mindfulness helps you to step back, to take a breath, and to find a moment of tranquility amidst the storm. You don't need any special equipment or training. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or background. All you need is a few minutes and a quiet space. Just a few minutes of focused breathing can make a world of difference. By paying attention to your breath, you can anchor yourself in the present moment, letting go of worries about the past or future. So, the next time you feel stressed, remember to breathe. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Feel the tension melt away with each breath. Take a moment for yourself and try this simple exercise. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. You might be surprised at how much it can help. With regular practice, mindfulness can improve your overall well-being, reduce stress, and enhance your ability to cope with life's challenges. Start small, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the journey to a calmer, more mindful you. Remember, mindfulness is not about perfection, but about being present and compassionate with yourself.